In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to configure a proxy in the Brave browser. Configuring a proxy can be an essential task if you're looking to secure your connection, access geo-restricted content, or simply want to ensure a higher level of privacy while browsing online. To begin, we'll start by opening the Brave browser. If you're unfamiliar, Brave is a great privacy-focused web browser, available for free. Once you have your Brave browser open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the window. You'll notice a menu icon represented by 3 horizontal lines, often referred to as a hamburger menu. Click on that to open up the main menu of your browser. Now that you've opened the main menu, look for and click on the option labeled Settings. This will take you to the Settings interface, where you can customize various features and options of your Brave browser to best suit your needs. Once inside the settings, you need to scroll down until you find an option called System. Go ahead and click on System. This area of the settings is where you can modify certain network and operating functionalities of the browser. When you have accessed the system settings, you'll see an option called Open Your Computer's Proxy Settings. Click on this and it will open a new window displaying your computer's proxy settings. The exact interface may differ slightly depending on whether you're using Windows or another operating system, like a Mac. In Windows, navigating this way brings up the Windows Proxy Settings interface. Here you can enter your desired proxy details. Now, onto setting up the proxy itself. A proxy typically requires certain information, usually an IP address and a port number. These are provided by your network administrator or the service you're using. Carefully enter the IP address, address, and the port number into the designated fields. Be sure to double-check this information before moving forward, as incorrect entries could result in connectivity issues. Once you've entered the required information accurately, look for the Save or Apply button within your proxy settings. Click on that, and your Brave browser will begin using this proxy setting moving forward. It's as simple as that. Remember, changing your proxy settings can influence how your internet traffic is routed, so it's important to ensure the proxy you're connecting to is reliable and secure. By following these steps, you can better manage how your data is handled while using Brave, enhancing your browsing experience and giving you control over how you connect to the web. Take a moment to test your connection after these changes to make sure everything's running smoothly. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and thank you for tuning in.